Hello. Welcome. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Medium, I think.
Okay. What color do you prefer?
Do you have blue?
Yes, here it is. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, where is the changing room?
It's over there.
Thanks. After trying, it fits well. But do you have another style?
Yes, we also have a new slim fit model.
Nice. What is it made of?
100% cotton.
Great. How much is it?
It's $200, but today we have 10% off.
So the final price is $180, right?
Correct.
Perfect. I'll take this one. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap or insert your card.
Done.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Here's your shirt and bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hi. Sorry I'm a little late.
It's okay. I just arrived.
These are for you.
Wow, roses! They're so beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome. You look very pretty tonight.
Thanks. You look nice too.
Look at the sky. The stars are amazing.
Yes, it's really beautiful. Do you come here often?
No, only with you.
That's sweet. I'm happy you're here.
I'm happy too. Are you cold?
A little.
Here, take my jacket.
Thank you. You're always so kind.
Because I care about you.
You make me smile.
We're almost at your home.
Okay, thanks for the ride and for the roses.
You deserve even more.
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Drive safe.
I will. See you soon.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi. Can I have a latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Okay. Do you want sugar or milk?
Just a little milk, no sugar.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, 1 chocolate muffin.
Perfect. That's a medium latte and 1 muffin.
Correct. How much is it?
It's $7.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready soon.
Great. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay.
Great. It's under the weight limit. Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, just this backpack.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding starts at 5:30 p.m.
Thank you. How long is the flight?
About 2 hours.
Got it. Is the flight on time?
Yes, everything is on schedule.
Excellent. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Bye.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a bad headache. Do you have something for it?
Yes, we have pain relief tablets. Would you like regular or extra strength?
Extra strength, please.
All right. Take one tablet every 6 hours with water.
Okay. Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy. Don't drive after taking it.
Got it. How much is it?
It's $12.
I'll pay by cash. Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's $8 change.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello. Please have a seat.
Thank you. I want a haircut.
Sure. How would you like your hair?
Short on the sides and a little longer on top.
Sounds good. Do you want a fade?
Yes, a low fade, please.
Got it. Would you like me to trim your beard, too?
No, thank you. Just the hair.
Okay. Do you want some gel after the cut?
Yes, a little gel.
Great. Let's start. How does it look?
It looks really good, thanks.
Do you want to wash your hair?
No, it's fine. How much is it?
It's $15.
I'll pay cash. Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's $5 change.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation? No, not yet. Do you have a table for two? Yes. This way, please. Here's your table. Thank you. Can I see the menu? Of course. Here you go. Are you ready to order? Yes. I'll have the grilled chicken with rice. And for you, I'd like the pasta with tomato sauce. Great. Would you like any drinks? Just water, please. I'll have an orange juice. Perfect. Would you like a starter or dessert? No, thank you. Just the main course. All right. Your food will be ready soon. How was everything? Delicious, thank you. Yes, very good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Would you like the bill? Yes, please. Here it is. That's $28 in total. Can I pay by card? Of course. Please insert your card. Done. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Have a great evening. You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me. Can you help me? Sure. What are you looking for? I'm trying to find the bus station. No problem. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks, then turn left. Okay. Straight for 2 blocks, then left. Yes. The bus station will be on your right, next to the post office. Great. Thank you. How long does it take to walk there? About 10 minutes. Perfect. Thanks again for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye.